Hello, hello! Today we learn A to Z. Great! Let's assemble it. A. A. It's red. A. A. Put it here like this. Next. Yes, you're right. B. B. It's yellow B. B. Put it here like this. No, no. B. It's orange B. B. Can you say like this? B. B. Oh, great. Put it here like this. Next. C. It's yellow C. Can you say like this? C. C. Great. Put it here. Next. D. D. It's blue D. D. Da, da, D. Put it here. No, no. D. It's green D. Great. Next. E. 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 It's green E. E. Now next, we need to find the letter F. F. It's blue F. 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 Next. Yes, you are right. We need to find the letter G. It's pink G. Okay. G. Put it here like this. No, no. G. It's purple G. Can you say like this? G. G. Oh, great. Put it here like this. Next. H. H. Here it is. It's pink H. Okay. H. H. Put it here like this. No, no. It's green H. H. Put it here. Next, we need to find the letter I. I. It's pink I. Okay. No, no. It's red I. I. Put it here. Next, J. J. It's orange J. J. Can you say like this? J. J. Oh, great. Next. Yes, you are right. We need to find the letter K. Look. Yes. K. It's yellow K. K. Put it here. Next. L. Yes, you're right. We need to find the letter L. Oh wow, here it is. It's yellow L. 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 No, no. L. It's green L. Okay. L. Next, M. 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 It's green M. M. Can you say like this? M. M. Oh wow. Next, N. N. It's blue N. N. It's blue N. N. Put it here like this. Next, O. O. It's purple O. O. Put it here. Next, P. We need to find the letter P. P. It's green P. Alright? Put it here. No, no, no. P. It's pink P. P. Put it here like this. Next, Q. Here it is. Q. It's orange Q. Okay. No. Q. It's red Q. 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 Next, we need to find the letter R. R. It's orange R. R. Put it here. Next, S. S. Here it is. S. It's yellow S. S. Next, we need to find the letter T. Ta-da! It's a letter T. It's green tea. Okay. Ooh, wow! Next, U. U. It's green U. U. Put it here like this. Next, V. V. Yes, it's blue V. V. Put it here. Next, we need to find the letter W. W. It's yellow W. W. Put it here. No, no. It's purple W. Put it here. Next, X. X. Here it is. It's pink X. X. Next, Y. Y. It's red Y. Y. No, no. It's red Y. Put it here. And the last, Z. It's orange Z. Z.